I was muted. Okay. Uh, I know you probably noticed already. My hotbar got reset. It's very annoying to me. I haven't had the. I haven't really wanted to change it anymore or fix it. At least until next patch. Oh God, my. I am. I need water. Hold on. Good thing I have water right here. Alright, that's better. But yeah. Oh my God, excuse me. My God. This is not gonna be a fun listen. Or this video is whatever. Oh my God, then the volume on my mic is all the way up too. That sucks. But anyways, what I wanted to mention is topic to talk about today. So on like YouTube Shorts and TikTok, you see a lot of these. Oh my God, dude, I fucked up already. And like YouTube Shorts and stuff, I see a lot of like clips of movies and stuff and shows that I started watching some of them. Like there's this show called The Blacklist. There's this character. I don't know. I see a lot of clips on them on this show. The character that like everyone that always gets clipped is named Raymond Reddington. Pretty much makes the entire show. I'm not gonna lie. As funny as it sounds, because it's true. Like that character is incredibly well written. And of course I've only seen the first season. Watching a show like that takes a lot of my time because it's like 45 minutes each, which is crazy. But yeah, because of that, I don't really. I'm like less incentivized to watch shows like that. But also because of that, but I still watch the first season, and the first season's alright. It has like, it really sets the tone of like the rest of the show, and the show is like what 13 seasons long. That's like so much time. Oh, that sucks. I tried. I did a bunch of damage, but I tried. Okay, this fight is miserable. Like actually, my least favorite map in the game or in frontlines. It'd be like that. I love getting silenced immediately. Oh, we're actually winning. Hold up. No, never mind. We're not winning anymore. Okay. Like we are just gonna lose this. What happened to me? I don't have any teammates. Crying. I was on my way out too. That sucks. I really don't have much to talk about right now. I I'll just talk about the game. It's not going well. I don't know what to talk about. Today's one of those days, I think. Yeah, today's just one of those days. I can't really do much. I don't really have anything to talk about. Nothing really interesting going on right now. That I would like to talk about anyways. That worked out as well as I thought it would. Oh my god, dude, I am fucking... Ugh. Do I even upload this? I'm probably gonna upload this anyways. Nobody watches these anyways. I didn't mean to go that way. This is brutal. I don't like this. Yeah. This is like entirely not good for us. Oh, why did I get destroyed so bad? What is going on? I think I stopped playing Astro. Okay, let me rephrase that. I like playing Astro in Crystalline Conflict, but here in Frontlines, not so much. There's a few reasons why, but for now, not really. Okay, let's try to get as much damage out as possible. Okay, and then get absolutely obliterated on the way. We don't really have any, like... Oh, god, dude. What do I do feel like playing? I do feel like playing, Fall Guys after this. The Fall Guys event, not the actual game. The actual game is cool and all, but, I don't know. Let's just get a bunch of damage out. Got the load of crowns out. This monk is crazy mode. Let's just see if we can get as many. Oh my god, dude. The insane amount of damage, AoE damage Red has is kind of bonkers. No wonder they're winning. I'm gonna stun you. I can't really do much over there since all of our team backed up to go over here. I think everyone just died and then just respawned and went over here, to be fair. Which is fine. Our team is not that good at fighting anyways. So, yeah, we get obliterated no matter what. That's hilarious. Okay. I guess now we fight blue. I'm down. Alright. 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 What was the split? What is the split? Why did we split? Okay, I am cooked right now, and I'm super tired. But come on. That is rough. Oh my god. And then we're gonna get pinched over here at our A rank. It's gonna be so annoying. Why did we split? We didn't need a split. Why did we split? Why did we split? That was torture, dude. Ugh. My team split and now we're getting run down by both teams. It's so obnoxious. Oh, it stuns. Interesting. I never knew that. No, I know. Get obliterated. We really do not need to fight red here. Yeah, I need these people to back off. We need to fight blue. This match is just unfortunate. I don't know what to say. My team is really, really bad at fighting. And it's not like we can do anything about it, so... which is fine. I mean, I'm not gonna stress too much about it. You get the team you get, and it's whatever. It's not like it's a ranked mode or anything, so... There's no real stakes in it. If there were more stakes on this, I'd be a lot more angry. Which is why I don't play ranked modes in video games. I hate it. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Ooh, we are winning now. Which is nice, but we're in the prime position of getting absolutely stomped. Yeah, we got immediately spread out. The pathing I took did not help out with that, but... You know, it is what it is. Oh, they're still fighting each other, which is nice. Okay, I can't really do anything else. Why am I getting obliterated, man? Like, oh. Okay. We defend this with our lives and we probably win off this. However, red is doing the correct thing. Red is doing the correct thing. Yeah, it's like a kill squad or something. All these people have an insane battle high. Yeah. Yeah. It just be like that. And now blue's gonna win. Red was kingmaker here. That's unfortunate. Dude, I'm just too tired. I'm just too tired for this right now. I'm not even gonna put this on the thing. I got 59 assists though. That wasn't me, no. Actually, that's this guy. That was this guy. All right. Well, this is still getting uploaded, but we're not putting this on the spreadsheet. Goodbye.